Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to be looking at this motorbike velosolex 3800. It's 50cc mopeds. They're made in France between like the 1940s or 50s, like I think post World War II to about the 1990s-ish, I think. I'll put it on screen, and then Yamaha bought them. Then nothing really happened, and then now they're electric bikes as far as I know. This one itself is the 3800 model. It's a 50cc two-stroke petrol engine, and it's got a spark plug there, and then there's like a mini wheel that's spun there, so you can lift and lower the engine. If you lower the engine, you're meant to push the bike, and then you press this button, and then I forgot the word, but it basically decompresses the engine, and then you start rolling, and then it starts the engine. So yeah, I'll try and show that now. All right. All right, restart. Oh well. And then you come here. You can see the petrol going from the fuel tank to the overflow through the engine, and then this here is this is effectively the throttle for the bike, and then if you just come here, this is the choke here. So this is the least choke. This is the most choke, I'm fairly certain. And then you're meant to hold the decompression lever whilst you start it, and then let go once you can hear that kind of compression in the engine starting, when you hear the piston going up and down. Now obviously there's exhaust. You can really smell the oil in the engine and the two-stroke. But yeah, that's it. And then to stop the engine, you just press the two-stroke, the decompression. That was really loud. But yeah. So I think the top speed on the bike is about 28 miles an hour, kilometers an hour, about 16 miles an hour. And then you can do it, because it's 50cc, you can do it on your CBT when you're 16, or after you pass your full car test after a certain date. Or as you saw before, you can like unhook the engine from the front wheel, and then obviously just ride it as a normal bike, and then the tire will also wear out quicker because of the added weight onto it. So yeah, and I think this specific bike is from, I think 1982, possibly 1972. I can't remember. It's either something too. But we found that on Velosolex Club UK. There's like a lot of people, enthusiasts with the bike, and they arrange meetups and stuff, and you can go ride with them and things like that. So there's that for you to do, I guess, if you have one. And there's lots of parts available too. So yeah, thank you for watching.